Would you rather bank on the metaverse or bank in the metaverse? These are two different concepts that we'll explore in today's video. Due to the recent outbreak, there is a mainstream acceptance of innovative ideas like non-fungible tokens or NFTs and virtual alternatives to physical events. The past few months have seen the world advance into a digital universe where you can meet and interact with friends and family, attend events, and do most of the things we do today as digital avatars. In the digital universe, most of the real-life barriers and lines are blurred out by the immersive platform, which offers maximum user satisfaction. Can you bank on the metaverse? We're in the early days of the metaverse, but the concept is fast becoming a buzzword that is bound to grow into something bigger soon. Currently, billionaires and big companies are spending mind-boggling money on non-physical assets that can only exist on the metaverse. According to a group of really wealthy investors, Grayscale Trusts, the metaverse is a $1 trillion market opportunity expected to record $1 trillion in yearly revenues. No company comes close to making that amount as revenue yearly in the world right now. Users will flock to the metaverse to experience a digital universe and escape a largely dystopian world. The metaverse trend is gaining traction in the fashion sector since there is a need for virtual apparel for user avatars. People are already getting married in the metaverse. Decentraland, a metaverse platform, was unveiled in February 2020, and the makers had big ambitions for this invention. Over 50,000 virtual visitors attended the company's 4-day metaverse event, which included 80 performers. The company's objective is to become the top name in the digital universe platform space, and in January, electronics giant Samsung built a Decentraland replica of its New York shop. When Barbados founded a metaverse embassy in Decentraland, the corporation received clearance from a real-world country. This indicates that the metaverse is a viable investment option. The virtual world is full of possibilities, but what differentiates successful digital firms from failures is their ability to recognize and maximize those possibilities. Since the metaverse's inception, opportunities have exploded because of the increasing need for developers, content creators, 3D artists, virtual reality architects, and community administrators. You'll be able to give your skills to metaverse developers such as Microsoft or Meta, or even work as a freelancer, and you'll be able to earn a lot of money regardless of your field of expertise. The world's largest corporations are hurrying to embrace the digital realm, with Nike, Balenciaga, and Gucci leading the fashion sector, and Walmart, Disney, and Warner Music Group leading the rest. You won't be able to spend actual money in the metaverse, but each platform will have its virtual currency that you can use as legal tender in exchange for products and services. There are a lot of virtual deals going on in the digital universe, including a Canadian real estate corporation buying 116 parcels of land. The Decentraland currency is called Mana, and the land was sold for 618,000 Mana, which is nearly $3 million in cryptocurrency. Republic Realm, a digital corporation, also purchased a virtual property in the Sandbox for $4.3 million. With the prospect of large-scale financial transactions in the digital world, financial institutions in the virtual world are in high demand. The lack of financial institutions and the presence of the top names in fashion place severe doubt on the metaverse's authenticity. The banking industry was absent from the list since it had previously avoided the metaverse until JP Morgan Chase & Co. opted to become the first bank to do so. The bank chose to open a branch in Decentraland, one of the most well-known metaverse platforms. The metaverse gives banks a much-needed method to reintroduce humanity into banking and strengthen existing client relationships by meeting them more significantly. What will banking in the metaverse feel like? Customers will use augmented reality and virtual reality as an alternate channel for transactions by 2030, according to 47% of bankers. This implies we'll have early adopters in this area and a fantastic chance to improve the work experience. BNP Paribas has built a virtual reality software that allows clients to utilize VR in banking procedures such as account opening, while Citi has tried holographic trading workstations. Bank of America gave 50,000 workers virtual reality training to replicate real customer service scenarios to identify emotions and change their behavior in a risk-free environment. The metaverse opens up new avenues for reaching out to new audiences, particularly a younger, more tech-savvy generation. Banks will have to find new methods to connect with this demographic. Customers can visit virtual branches for high-touch service, have a real-time property tour with a mortgage broker, discuss retirement plans with an avatar advisor, attend an investment event, or engage in a bank-sponsored community activity. Users can go shopping and purchase real estate in the metaverse. Check out our previous videos on how lucrative these can be. These actions are sure to excite JP Morgan's interest since their services will be in high demand. The bank aspires to provide financial services such as cross-border payment, monetary asset creation, trading, and safeguarding in the digital world. It is feasible for JP Morgan to act as a financing institution for content creators who want to sell their work. Fraud protection, account validation, and transaction status are critical functions that JP Morgan will play in the digital world. The metaverse's creators already have their population, GDP, and even currencies, allowing JP Morgan to integrate into the system quickly. JP Morgan has established the Onyx Lounge, named after the bank's blockchain company, which launched in 2020. Meta Iuku, a virtual recreation of Tokyo's Harajuku retail area, houses the branch. A virtual tiger and a computerized photo of the bank's CEO Jamie Dimon will greet you as you enter the bank branch. Your avatar may listen to specialists discuss the crypto market on the branch's second floor. According to JP Morgan, the metaverse's economics provide prospects in nearly every field and a $1 trillion yearly revenue market opportunity. Now let's look at the opportunities that the bank sees in the digital universe. One of the main things that keeps the virtual world busy is transactions. Virtual commodities are worth more than $50 billion per year, nearly twice the amount spent on music in the world today. With over $60 billion worth of communications delivered every day across metaverse platforms, the digital world also allows users to socialize with friends and family. Over 200 strategic agreements exist between the Sandbox, a metaverse platform, and prominent enterprises, with NFTs now having a market valuation of $41 billion. JP Morgan does not believe that the digital universe will replace all human contacts anytime soon. Still, it is eager to investigate the many fascinating options it offers customers and businesses. Virtual real estate is an area where JP Morgan will make a lot of money. The average price of a block of virtual land that exists as an NFT increased in only 6 months in 2021 from $6,000 in June to $12,000. The virtual real estate business would soon begin to offer services similar to those available in the physical world. These include real-world services like loans, mortgages, and rental agreements, with decentralized autonomous organizations serving as financial arms for these reasons. Because of various entertainment providers and applications like RTFKT, a virtual sneaker maker recently bought by Nike, working in the metaverse will be profitable. Users can earn from their fundamental life skills and make money in the real world while working in the virtual world. Virtual gaming is a separate world with its population, GDP, in-game money, and digital assets which mirror the current global economy. Given its long-standing core expertise in cross-border payments, foreign exchange, financial asset creation, trading, and safeguarding, JP Morgan sees a chance to play a significant role in this area. The potential for financial institutions exists in the metaverse, and they differ in terms of user locations. In a letter to investors, JP Morgan analysts anticipated that China's initial total addressable market for the metaverse would be roughly $4 trillion, as it replaces mobile internet with a more immersive experience. The potential will be worth $8 trillion once the metaverse disrupts real-world activities like test drives, real estate showings, and education. Advertising is another industry expected to generate billions of dollars by 2027, according to a forecast that in-game ad expenditure would reach $18.41 billion. Every new user will remember the first advertisement they see while visiting a financial institution in the metaverse. What better way to make money than by attracting customers who will tell their friends about their first metaverse banking experience? The bank might elect to handle adverts for real-world businesses to boost income. As the first virtual financial institute, JP Morgan has a never-ending supply of chances. The startup will break into Decentraland's economy by allowing customers to buy things with crypto money supported by the Ethereum blockchain. JP Morgan's foray into the digital realm comes at a pivotal juncture in the platform's history, which has seen troubling news and still has a long way to go to establish itself. As a relatively young technology, the metaverse is prone to both technical and moral issues. Such problems must be dealt out before the potential technological boom is stifled. When comparing the hoopla surrounding the metaverse to reality, it becomes clear that many areas require improvement. The metaverse will rise to the top of the economy thanks to overall user experience, avatar performance, and commercial infrastructure. Once again, will you bank on the metaverse to succeed in today's economy? Will banking in the metaverse provide users with a better experience? Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to leave this video a like if you enjoyed it. Also, subscribe to our channel to get more amazing videos about the metaverse and how you can experience it.